Unboxed display. List of accessories. Connect the power supply. Connect the temperature sensor. Connect the network cable. User interface display. Three-channel control supports channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. A voidiac channel can be renamed for easy identification. Manual mode on. Output light intensity according to the set percentage 2100. Manual mode off. Turn off output. Click all on to turn on all three channels at once. Click all off to turn off all three channels at once. Click the automatic mode button to enter automatic mode. Avoid entering the settings interface multiple times. In sunrise and sunset mode, the controller mimics natural light, letting plants grow with their natural rhythms for better yield and quality. Light gradually rises from 20% to the preset level at sunrise, and gently dims back to 20% at sunset before automatically turning off, creating a smooth day-night cycle. Supports two main groups. Flexible strategies with spectrum and scheduling options. The controller monitors temperature and gradually dims lights when too hot, shutting off below 20%. It resumes operation once the temperature drops under 9F5C. When high temperature triggers protection, the controller shows a warning and sounds an alert, lighting up even if the screen is off. Luxmind also supports single-channel management. Simply insert the RJ11 phone cable to activate.